Hello guys, welcome back to the Simple Snip code. So in this video we will install Node.js in Ubuntu. So first we check the Node and npm version. If you install Node, then npm is automatically will be installed. Okay, we can install Node.js via the command like sudo apt install Node.js. But in this installation process, the older version of Node.js is installed in our machine. That's not my target. Okay, so I will show you what version install if I use this command sudo apt install Node.js. Okay, so simple, write sudo apt-cache show Node.js. If I use this command, then it will automatically install 10.19.0. That is not my target because the latest stable version is 16.14 something. So I have to install this version. So simple to install Node.js, simple search on Google Node.js and click enter. Click on first link nodejs.org. There are two versions available. First is long term, so click on other downloads. After that, click on installing Node.js via package manager. Click on Debian and Ubuntu based Linux distribution and click on Node.js managed distributions. Here is the main link to download Node.js. I will provide this link in the video description, so you can easily get this link. To install Node.js, follows two commands, curl and sudo apt-get install via Node.js. So copy paste this command, copy this command and paste into the terminal.